Welcome back to Furniture Rescue. I'm Jeff Shrewsbury, and today we have a special 1950s Paul Frankel side table to restore. I'm looking forward to it. Let's get started. So we'll need a couple of things. 220 sandpaper, because the finish on this table is so old, dry, and almost non-existent. As you can see, just by just a little bit of sanding by hand, I can get right down to almost the bare wood. So we're going to be really delicate with this. We're going to be super careful not to roll the corners here. I want to keep these sharp edges of the corner of this table. It's really important. This table is quite valuable. It's quite rare. So when we restore it, we want to do exactly everything we can perfectly. I always keep sandpaper. There's still areas of this paper that I can use. And throughout this project, we're going to create tools. Meaning I'm going to create a sander, a nice sharp edge, so I can continue to have, as you can see, a square edge on this table. And if I keep it square at all times, I'll keep the integrity of this piece of furniture beautiful. So we're going to create tools as we go. Old paper, but still just the right amount of sanding. Now get through this thing. You gotta be very careful with this sander. You've seen the other videos roll the corners. However, in this piece, I will not roll the corners. I will keep them exactly, if you will, 90 degrees. Right? Make their own tools a lot of times. They just don't have them, because this is going to help this surface to keep me square. It's going to keep me square on here, right? Which is exactly what I want to do. I want to keep it completely square. I don't want to roll the edges. I want to stay completely square. So I can take my time as well. As long as I keep it equal pressure, make sure it's flat, right? Flat. I can just work myself, work the edge. Also, when you get to the edge, you only want to go in one direction, right? But just in case, I don't want to split the wood or pull it up, splinter it. If I come back this way, it could catch and tear the wood. We don't want that. We want to make sure that we continue off the piece, sand off the piece, away, so the wood doesn't pull up and tear. Nice and easy. Very careful the edge, right? I don't want to come back on the edge. I don't want to tear up the wood, splinter it. With the square block to allow me to stay perfectly flat. You know, perfectly parallel to the wood. See what I'm saying? Okay. Very nice. I'm gonna brush to see what's going on. Take everything over there. And like I said earlier, you can actually now see this piece of wood here, right? It goes all the way down to the foot, if you will. Okay. Is an actual piece that was now glued on to these other slats. That's why this piece is absolutely beautiful. It's a work of art. It really is a work of art. So I want to be careful here not to put too much pressure along the inside line, because then it'll actually chew into the wood. See right here? We don't want to do that. So we have to be very, very careful just to put enough pressure that I'm also working on the surface here, but also cleaning, sanding the inside surface here. And that's what I really want to do, is just take care of the inside surface and lightly touch the bottom surface so I don't put a big gouge or a line in that. We don't want to do that on that surface. And the key phrase for this video is #JeffShrewsbury. #SearchRescue. Type that in the comments section below and you'll be entered to win. Walnut. Okay, that's the ready for stain. Here we go. So I'm going to put the stain on as the conditioner starts to dry together. It'll pull the stain into the wood.